Hi, this is Easy Ed, and today we are going to learn about another data type. We have already learned about two types, integers and floats. Today we will look at strings. Strings are sequences of characters in a particular order. In order to create a string in Python, you have to put quotation marks or inverted commas around the characters. You can use either single or double quotes. The characters can be letters, like words, or they can also be punctuation, so we can make sentences. Remember, all objects in Python have value, type, and identity. Let's take a look at what happens if I create a string, my name is Easy Ed. I press enter, and Python returns the value of this object, which is the sequence of characters, M, Y, space, N, A, M, E, etc. Now I will find the type of this object with the value my name is Easy Ed. I enter type, parentheses, my name is Easy Ed, and Python returns class str. str is the abbreviation for string. Last, I will find the identity. Remember, that's the address in the memory. I type ID, parentheses, and the string, and Python returns the address. There can also be numbers in strings, but it is important to realize that these numbers are just characters. We cannot do any math operations with them, the way we can with ints and floats. Let's see what happens if we try to use the arithmetic operators with strings. I will enter the string 3 plus the string 7. Here, 3 and 7 are strings because I am surrounding them with quotation marks. Python does not add them mathematically because they are not integers. Instead, it sticks them together. We can do the same thing with my plus name plus is. Python sticks them together, but that looks strange because there are no spaces. Instead, I can put the spaces in the strings to begin with, like this. Now Python sticks the three strings together to make a new string with the spaces. This process of sticking strings together is called concatenation. Now take some time to play around with strings. We have seen that we can use the arithmetic operator for addition with strings, and it sticks them together in a process called concatenation. What about the other arithmetic operators, like the operators for subtraction, multiplication, and division? Try to use these on strings and see what happens. What are the rules for which operators we can use with strings? Write the rules in the comments section. Now we have learned about three data types in Python: integers, floats, and strings. With just these three, we can do a lot of things, which we will start to look at in the next video. See you then.